All right, what's going on, everyone? The market is looking particularly tasty today. So let's discuss everything that you need to know about the market and Luna Classic. What is going on? Let's jump straight into it. First of all, taking a look at the Bitcoin chart right now, and look at that play. Look at that. I drew these lines weeks ago. Absolutely incredible stuff happening right now. You can see that basically, if you just have patience in this market, you can get some really nice trades with really not having to do that much apart from apply patience, and also don't get yourself over leveraged like all of these crazy people who have been liquidated and giving partially the reason as to why Bitcoin is flying recently. Obviously, I think that it's been beaten down recently. So this is just the bulls getting a bit excited here. But basically, look. You could have bought here, sold here, bought here, and then sold here again. Two perfectly lovely trades there. Even if you wanted to, shorted, and it would have been four perfectly timed trades there. And you got to practice patience. You got to use good risk management. But this is what's possible here, even in a bear market. So perfectly, this is what we were talking about down here, a long position from around 16.5 all the way up to around here, 17,300, closing that position out. I managed to get involved in and around this region here, and I made some nice profit here with my trade. I didn't get in perfectly here, but these are the regions that I've been looking at, and we're humans, right? Human traders here. We can't do everything perfectly, but there is opportunity here. Now, if you do want to get involved in this, BitGet still offered up to $10,000 worth of a deposit bonus. Get your deposit bonus. Do your short-term trades only if you are an experienced trader. And then when you make profit, get it off the exchange. Also on BitGet, they have free spot trades, right? There's no fees when it comes to trading for spot. So you can get yourself dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin or whatever your favorite coin is over on BitGet with no fees. So get that done if you fancy it. Now, heading over to the old Twitter, we can see legal case vs TFL was dismissed. This was posted around 4 hours ago. After the claims of corruption and racketeering were shown to be baseless, it was voluntarily dismissed. Now, what do you guys think might happen next? Luna up almost 40%, Luna Classic up 16%. Of course, this will fluctuate from when these posts were made, but if we do head over to CoinMarketCap, we can see Luna Classic up 4% just today. On the 7 days, we are actually up finally. On the month, we are basically teetering right now at around the start of the month. If we do check out Luna itself, not Lana, what am I talking about? Luna. Here we go. We'll click that and we'll check it out, up 10% today. Of course, we do have this warning. The original Terra has rebranded to Terra Classic and the new chain is created with existing Terra name. Just a little bit of a warning there. We were also talking about yesterday about the warning over on Binance, which I don't think if that is removed really is going to make any difference. I know a lot of people do think, but this coin right now, token right now, is at $200 million. And it seems that people are getting excited. If Do Kwon turns out to be completely fine. He never did anything. I don't know if I believe it. I'm still not sure. But if this turns out and we get some more truth around what happens, we get some more proof around what happens, there is an opportunity, for this to have a huge comeback, for Luna to have a huge comeback, and most likely that is going to affect Luna Classic. Of course, they are two separate ecosystems now, but this could be huge news for the Terra Classic ecosystem. And like we've been talking about on the channel here, this could be one of the best and biggest comebacks ever. So we just need to practice some patience. Remember though, guys, we are in a macro bad environment. Things are not looking too good right now. So don't put all your chickens in one basket before they hatch. Is that what you say? I don't even know. But don't put everything in. Don't dump it into the market. The market is up now. If you believed in it, you should have been dollar cost averaging over this down period. I see a lot of comments saying how much people are having fear of missing out right now. And that would be impossible if you'd simply been dollar cost averaging into things you believed in over the last few months or even weeks. You would have got great entries. And we may see a lot more pain coming forward. I still think we're going to see some more pain coming forward. Who put that mic there? I still think we're going to see some more pain coming forward. So be prepared for that. Simply dollar cost averaging until we head into the next bull market, which may come in a month, maybe starting right now, or it may come in 1-2 years. We just need to prepare for that. We also need to invest money that we're not afraid of going to absolute zero. Do not put money in that you need to survive right now, because that would be absolutely crazy and it will give you way more emotions than you need. Let's go over to the Bitcoin chart again here, and we can see, like I said, we have been rejected just briefly there at this very strong level of resistance, right? 17,300. I would absolutely love for us to break above 17,000 or even 18,000 there. And look at this. all the way up to here. We still have massive resistance all the way up to $25,000. If we can break that, there could be movement up to here. And really, above these regions, 35,000 is where I would start to be getting more bullish on smaller cap coins and that sort of thing, if we can get up there. Now, there's no saying whether or not we're going to get there, or we're going to head lower down to these $10,000 regions, which all the bears seem to think we're going to go there, just stop briefly, and then head continually lower forever until Bitcoin goes to zero. So it depends on what camp you're on. I don't fully believe that that's going to happen. I think we are in for some good momentum. Now, I like to always refer back to the last bear market because that's the closest example of what we're going through right now. Of course, the macro is different to what it was then, but in 2019, we had a 300% move in Bitcoin. We are in and around that region right now in this new bear market, the time that we've been in the bear market, right? So we may very well have a huge rally in Bitcoin like we did in 2019. All of those gains were given back. All of them were given back. They went back down to around the $3,500 region, but we never went back to quite as low as we did at the first bear market bottom, the very bottom. If you check out the charts, go check it out. So potentially around this $15,000 region is potentially the bottom. We may very well retest it over the next few years, few months, whatever. But this may be a rally that we've been waiting for. And like I've been saying, there is so much opportunity in this market. We can make some money now if we go into a bear market, but don't forget to take a little bit of profits. There's no reason to diamond hands, as we've learned. And guys, if we do go into a bull market today, tomorrow, next year, whenever, you are now seasoned crypto investors and speculators. You know what to do. If the market gets too euphoric, protect yourself. Protect yourself, okay? With that said, see you guys in the next one. Peace. Peace.